गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल and adab to all my valuable viewers. Today we will explain you a funny portion and a very interesting for which you will enjoy how nicely our society has misinterpreted and how they have misused this our पायस और पवित्र संस्कारों का किस तरह से लोगों ने नाजायज फ़ायदा उठाया है। एक वर्ड स्पेशली जब अब हम रिश्ते तय करते हैं या और दुनिया भर के हम कार्यक्रम अपने घरों में करते हैं तो उसको किस तरह से हमने मिसयूज़ किया है और अपनी वेल्थ को किस तरह से हमने पब्लिक को डिस्प्ले किया है, और अगर जो वीकर पार्टी है दोनों में से उसको किस तरह से हमने ब्लैकमेल किया है। एक वर्ड है जो कि संस्कारों के नाम पे लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं, दैट इज़ ए शॉक। हाउ डिफरेंटली पीपल ने इस वर्ड को इस्तेमाल किया। फर्स्ट व्हेन दे विल सेटल सम सॉर्ट ऑफ ए रिलेशन, they will make such a big list of conditions, terms, conditions which are so hard, very tough, and very painful, unacceptable, but being forced to accept it. The word is shock. That gives a list, gives a shock. The first interpretation, in the guise of fulfilling the aspirations of one particular person, they give such a big list that gives you a shock. And then, in the guise that gives you a shock to the one person, with the interpretation, the second meaning of that shock is all this is a shock, gives you a shock to the person who has to fulfill it, but fulfill the shock of a person. The habits of the desires of supposing somebody is a smoker, somebody is a drinker, somebody is air travel का शौक है, so that is the shock of the other person, but that when you give a list to a person who can't afford it, he gets a shock. And then in certain parts of the society, certain parts of the nation, something which is not covered under the heading of shock fulfilling, they ask, these are the special shocks of that person, they call it a shonk. That gives another surprising, these are the traditions of our family, that itself has already given a shock to the person, and just to fulfill the shock, which may be proper, which may be unjustified or justified, that fulfills the shock. Then the last is totally unexpected, unimaginative. They give a list of and other shocks of the entire family, entire rishtedar, bhai, baap, maa, chacha, dost, friends. It is as good as जैसे हमारे यहाँ दाल बनाने के बाद हम उसके ऊपर शौक लगा देते हैं, दे कॉल इट, ये हमारे समाज, हमारे परिवार और उसके दोस्तों के शौक है। दैट एक्ट्स लाइक, एक शौक, आप शौक लगाते हैं दाल को, सब्जी को, उसी तरह इट एक्ट हिट्स द, फॉर यू इट इज़ ए शौक, एंड फॉर द अदर पर्सन हु हैज़ टू बियर द कास्ट ऑफ दैट, इट इज़ ए killing action. With this, I request all the people of my friends, those who are listening to this, please take a lesson of it and try to minimize, keeping in view the capacity of the person who has to. Let us not compare everybody with the big families of the country, like recently we have seen Ambani's, but they are other class of the society, and the guests were also of different type. So be a normal citizen. They are also right. They can do. They are living. They are citizens of this democratic country. With this, I conclude this portion of the video. Thanks a lot.